Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a super short, quick video. How can I start this off? So earlier this week, I was talking to my brother-in-law, who's in the process of trying to sell some T-shirts online, right? And he was talking about he tested different shopping platforms like Shopify and etc. Some other one, handful of other ones, and we both came to the conclusion like these platforms are really overblown. Like it can be a bit overwhelming. I'm like, yeah, dude, there should be something, a shopping cart that just has the bare minimum. And that's where this is where I can basically when I kick in and start thinking, the wheels start spinning like, hey, what can I do? How can I help? Could I possibly make a shopping cart that just has just the bare minimum? We're talking about a product button, you upload your products and pricing, and then boom, it's done. So this is kind of sort of what you're looking at now. This is the start of it. But really, the video is not about that. The video is more or less. I'm really curious to hear about other developers and their build process. For me, I usually kind of start in the front end of things, like the HTML, the jQuery, the JavaScript, and stuff like that, and then move it once I got that all solid, and then move towards the back end of things, like launching the Laravel product, wiring up the database, and etc. But I'm kind of curious, like, how do other people? What steps do other people take? So I'm hoping one day somebody gonna see the video and add a comment or two. But I tend to struggle. I mean, I spend a long time just screwing with the HTML because um, I don't know. I'm just not good at colors, like picking colors and putting colors together. If you look at this right now, you can tell I kind of always lean towards darker colors. So I end up spending a lot of time on the internet searching through. I wonder could ChatGPT help me with this, but anyway, I spend a lot of time on the internet searching through like Dribble and just Google Images, trying to see how people use colors, and then looking at other websites and their use of colors. And I don't know if there's some website that maybe have sample themes or schemas or something like that already put together that I can kind of pick and choose from. But man, it's like I feel like the coding part, like the whole process for me, let's say front end, just putting together the HTML and trying to get the colors together, I promise you that might be the bulk of the project. Because once it moves to the back end, the coding part, like the adding controllers, building the database, all that, I swear I can crunch that out within like a day's time. That part I found really really easy. It's just this divine. I mean, this design phase, the front end phase, it takes me forever, and I wish it was an easier way. And like we're talking about the interface part. Come up with the homepage. I suck at it. It's funny. Maybe I should hire somebody just to build homepages. Ain't that some crazy crap? But yeah, it's just not my strong suit. But anyway, overall, I'm making this video to see if I can get some type of feedback from other developers and hear your struggles, or maybe get some feedback on like what is your build process. As you can see right here, this is kind of sort of where I'm going so far. I figure it'd be a dashboard, which might be the overall health of the shopping cart, like how many orders and customers and blah blah blah, all that stuff. Just normal stuff. And then here's the orders page, and sure, you click on this and drill down into more information about orders, customers. Yeah. What do I say? Okay, customers, products. Yeah, should be a button somewhere if we can add products, but and then settings would be somewhere where maybe you can change your store name, update your password, stuff like this. This is, again, the whole idea to make it drop. I mean, drop dead simple, just as simple as possible, right? And again, maybe all this will hook up to PayPal or even Stripe. I don't even know the prices between PayPal and Stripe anymore. I think for some reason PayPal might be more expensive than Stripe now. I gotta look that up. But anyway, yeah. So the idea is just trying to make this simple. But gee whiz, I spend so much time. You see how this is pink right here, right? This is just like a placeholder because I'm pretty sure it's not going to stay pink. But I spend so much time trying to get colors together, and I wish it was just an easier way. But yeah, just looking for some feedback. Again, I was not expecting to do this video, but I was like, yeah, whatever. I'll just see what it is. maybe somebody have some insight. You know, the internet's a big world. Somebody might have an easier way of doing things. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.